Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're watching this in 2025 and dealing with the frustrating issue of the Locket Widget app not working properly, whether it's crashing, freezing, or just not loading, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that can get your app up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, start by checking for app updates. Outdated versions are a common culprit for glitches. Head over to your device's App Store, search for Locket Widget, and if there's an update available, install it immediately. This often resolves compatibility issues with the latest operating systems. Next, try restarting your device. It's a basic step, but it's amazing how often it works. Simply power off your phone or tablet, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary bugs and refresh your system. Now, let's tackle the cache. Over time, apps build up cached data that might cause problems. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Locket Widget, Storage, and select Clear Cache. If you're on iOS, you might need to offload the app or restart it from the background. Give this a shot and see if it makes a difference. Another key step is to check app permissions. Sometimes, the Locket Widget needs access to features like notifications, location, or storage to function correctly. Go to your device settings, find the app in the permissions section, and ensure everything is enabled. If not, toggle them on and restart the app. If these steps haven't helped, consider reinstalling the app. Uninstall Locket Widget from your device, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. This can fix corrupted files or installation errors. Lastly, if you're experiencing network-related issues, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or reset your router if needed. If the problem persists, reach out to the app's support team. They're usually quick to assist. There you have it, folks. These straightforward fixes should get your Locket Widget app working smoothly in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.